Hello everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video, a video. Yeah guys, I'm back with another video. Alright guys, this is my fall, since it's about to go into fall, this is my fall look. And I used the chocolates by Juvia'S, that's what I used. I don't have any new products today, but I will. I got some coming. I just want to jump on here and do a video for y'all and give y'all some word of encouragement. Okay, guys. Let me clean my glasses off first. Y'all can't see. I got to clean my glasses off. Y'all, you know I come with my scriptures and give y'all a word of encouragement. And this one right here is like basically God promise and the instructions that he give us. And this is what I got from Psalms 32:8. And I want y'all to remember this. And it is, he said, this is God promises to us, and this is what he does to it. He teaches us how he instructs us. So, okay, here it goes. Psalms 32:8. I will instruct you, teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eyes on you. So, God, remember that God is always with us. He's leading us. He's teaching us. He's showing us the way we need to go for either our purpose, purpose in him, to get, put his word out, and also our personal lives. He don't never leave that out, but God gets the glory in the end. So what I'm telling y'all guys is to stay encouraged, listen to God, let him guide you in the instruction, the way that you need to go, and we'll be okay. But don't fight against him. Keep going. I tried, girl. I've been there. I did it. And I went all over the place. It was like a little merry-go-round. Kept doing the same thing over and over and over. Y'all know how a merry-go-round is. Little kids enjoy that. But when you get on it, you notice that you see the same scenery because it's going round and round in a circle. That's how your life would be if you do not listen to God. You will be going around in circles. Okay? All right. Hey guys, right here that eyelash was getting on my nerves, and I noticed that it was still hanging off. Forgive me guys, still learning that. Alright. Sierra, she wanted me to do cookie and cream. So this is cookie and cream. And I did, and then I had some stuff left over, so I did some little mixtures. And this right here is called grapes. I think it's grapesicle. I think it's great. Let me see. Y'all know I can't see. Yep. This is called grapesicle. Ain't it cute? I love that. It's grapesicle. And this one is called orange cream. Okay? So these are the 3 new products. I think I got cookie and cream already on there, but these 2 I haven't took a picture of them yet, and I will do that today and put on my website. So go check out EBF Cosmetics. EBF Cosmetics. Hey. EBF Cosmetics. Hey. All right, guys. I'm not going to keep you long. I want to tell y'all I love y'all. Stay encouraged. God is with us. He's instructing us. And I will what? See y'all in the next video. And when there's a what? Event, I got some content. Love you guys. Love you. Oh yeah, guys. Also, y'all can't see this. I'm kind of like stand up. Look at this. This necklace is gorgeous. That's another necklace that I ordered from Paparazzi. Yeah. And I ordered, it was only $5, and it came with these little dangling earrings. Oh, y'all, $5. $5. Check it out. 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 I don't think I put her information down in the description box below. The young lady Beverly that I brought it from, but I will do it this time. All right, I'm gonna put a little mental note. Forgive me. All right, guys, love you. On to the video. Mwah. Oh, y'all, wait a minute before I go. I got to try on one. I almost did it. So which one should I do? Which one should I do? Let's try this one. Let's try the orange cream. Let's try it. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me do this. Cause my foundation is on my lip. Let's not mess it up. There you go. Let's try it again. Oh, it smells so good. Oh God. There it goes, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? All right. Like I said, I'm going to have a whole... I ain't got to worry about lip gloss no more, honey. No more. No more. All right, guys. On to the video. Ooh, bougie. All right, guys.
Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray that's it. Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray that's it. Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray that's it. Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray that's it. Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Dream beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Dream beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it. Dream beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get it right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face.
I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.